Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Fellowship game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings. Click on System, Sound, Advanced and then click on More Sound Settings. Now click on your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Fellowship and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Next solution is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Fellowship game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio problem in Fellowship if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, then select Show Bluetooth Devices. Scroll to the bottom and then select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and then select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Now click Apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So by this way you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Fellowship games. So that's all for this video.